Hello everyone, how is it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group on Facebook and setting up perfectly. For doing this, you will see here as the Facebook app or Facebook application. Next, click on Facebook application, and whenever you log in your Facebook account, then you can see such kind of interface, and at the top of the right side you can see here there is three dot line. So just click on three dot line. Next, scroll down and you can see here that is group. Just click on group. It's okay. And at the top of the side you can see your groups, discover, create, settings. So just click on create, because first of all we are going to create a group. Next, you can see here name your group, your group name. Suppose we're gonna give a name that is Kids Gaming Points. It's the group name. Next, you can see here there is cover photos, so you can add cover photos. Also, it is optional, or you can add it next time, but right now I'm gonna add the cover photo because I made it, and this is my cover photo. This one, it's loading. Okay. Next, you can see here choose privacy. This is the most important. Whenever you click here you can see two options, public and private. If you want to make that is anyone can see your group or only member can see your group. If you want to create a group that is everybody will see or anyone can see, that you can use public. So I'm gonna make it public. Next, click on, you can see at top of the site that is done, so click on done, and next click on create group. Just it's creating, processing, and it will be processed soon. Then click on done, and you can see that is your group has been created, and we said that it is cover photo. This one, this is the interface of this group. Right now I'm going to show you the group settings. At the top of the site in the left side you can see a star icon. This one, star icon, or it is also called the admin tools. In the admin tools you're gonna see here that is group quality and keyword alerts, admin and moderator activity, members, rules. If you want to click here these rules, you can add any kind of rules here. Next, I'm gonna see you here there is group settings, most important here. This one, number one is this group name and description. This is Kids Gaming Point. You definitely add a description this in your group, any kind of description who is related to your group after adding it. Next, go to the cover photo, and you can see my cover photo already. I set it, and colors, group colors such as it's white. If you want to make this group color is there is green. Next, click on apply. It's quite green. You can see here at the top of the side there is group is green. Next, group type is general. You can see here that if you want to make this group for buy or sell, you can click here buy or sell, or for there is social learning, jobs, work, or gaming. Right now we want to make this group just for Kids Gaming Point. Next, we select this one, this gaming. Next, apply for group type, click on it. It's applying. Right now we can see this is already done. Next, you can set here there is location, so click on it. Suppose I'm if you're for any country, United States, this one, the United States of America. You set this one. Next, click on save. The location also save. Next, you can see here tags, any kind of tag related to your group. When anybody search your group, they will find you. And privacy, public, you can, I made it, this is public, you can make private or public. I told you before. There is hide group. You can hide your group. Right now it's visible. You can see this is icon of eyes. I mean, if you want to hidden, you can hide this group. Okay, next, the most important, this is pending member request. Whenever a member will send a request for joining, you can pin it. Okay, and you can ask them question or something else, or create a role. Next, who can approve group member request? It's the most important. Only the group members or something else. And next one is only admin and moderator. Only admin or moderator will accept it. And who can approve? It's not needed. And you can see here the budget. Who can join the group? You can add here, there is budget. Okay, here is the also another important thing, this who can post in your group. You can see here that is only admin, only group members. So you can add this. If you want only admin can post here, so you can select this one. Also, you can link to your group with your page. So if you have a page, you can link it here, that is you will get here this kind of page or something else, so you can link with it. Next is that member request notification, it's on. You can make it on or off. Okay, this is the group settings, and everything has been set right now. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and like and share